Welcome back to Copy Trading on YouTube. Today's video is called eToro Cryptocurrency Trading, Compound and Aave. Okay, so this week eToro has added two more cryptocurrency coins to their platform, which they allow you to trade. One is called Compound, which is COMP as the ticker or comp, and the other is Aave, AAVE as the ticker, and you can trade these on eToro platform from this week on. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to invest in any of these cryptocurrencies. It would be my partner link and you should be supporting my channel. Okay, let's start with Compound. Okay, so Compound is a decentralized finance loan protocol called DeFi. So that's just short for decentralized finance. And it's a service which is built on the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. Okay, so remember, Ethereum is just like an app store like Google Apps, but has no middleman, and it uses smart contracts, which is just business software agreements to complete transactions and services, etc. So Compound is basically it's like a bank where people store their cryptocurrency and they earn interest as the bank lends the cryptocurrency to the borrowers at a specific interest rate depending on the supply and demand of the locked crypto assets used. Okay, so there's a lot there, but in simple terms, it's just like a banking service, a lending service where people deposit their cryptocurrency into Comp, and Comp uses to lend cryptocurrency to users, and then you earn interest on the loan. Okay, so it's just like you put your money into a bank, the bank uses it to give a loan to a person, and you earn interest on your money. Okay, that's all it is. So on eToro, you can invest in Comp Crypto, which is used to run the service. Okay, so on eToro, you're investing in the Comp Crypto. Okay, and the Comp Crypto is their native cryptocurrency for the Comp service, and it's used for voting rights, and it's given to lenders as an extra incentive. Okay, so not only do they earn interest on your cryptocurrency that they use for lending to people, you also earn Comp Crypto every time you interact with their platform. So you earn it when you deposit crypto into Comp. You earn it when you take a loan from the Comp platform, and you earn it when you pay back to the Comp from your Comp loan. So this is what you're investing when you're investing in eToro for the Comp crypto. So, and you will benefit from the rise in popularity of compound lending services. Okay, so you're investing in the actual platform and the Comp crypto that is used to incentivize people. It's given to people when they invest their cryptocurrency, and when the people take out loans, and also when people pay back the loan, they earn the Comp crypto. Okay, and it also has voting rights. If you own Comp Crypto, you have voting rights. You can use that Comp Crypto to pay for voting rights on how the protocol or how the platform is going to be developed in the future. So if you look at the Comp markets here, compound.finance is their website. You can see all these cryptocurrencies here. So what you would do is you would deposit your Ether into Comp. Okay, and then they send you back a token called C Ether, which is just a value of what you invested, but on their own token. And then Compound uses your Ether to lend money to other users. And then you earn interest on your Ether while it's stored on their network. And you also earn Comp COMP crypto for using the service and lending your money there. So you can see all of these cryptocurrencies that you can invest into Compound. And Compound is also backed by Coinbase, which is they have also invested money into Compounds. in 2018. If you look on eToro here, you can see the compound cryptocurrency is at 370 at the moment. It was up to $824. So like most cryptocurrencies at the moment, they're half price to what they were earlier on this year. So massive changes in the price there. You can see it's dropped way down. Is it a good price? You have to make this decision. Okay, so this is an overview of the comp crypto. If you want to find out more, you need to do some more detailed research yourself before investing. But this is just an overview. You can see here on eToro, you can trade. The minimum is $25. You can open a position on comp. So you can see here it uses smart contracts to provide loans, etc. And also Compound stands out. It's used interest data built on the Ethereum. It was founded in 2017, okay? And it was founded by a former economist, Robert Leisure, and he is still the CEO of Compound, okay? So really interesting lending service there, and DeFi financial service. And you can start investing with just $25 there on eToro. Okay, the second one I'm going to show you is a very similar service to Compound, nearly exactly the same, but has a few different services and extra services. And it's called Aave. Okay, so AAVE is the ticker name. So Aave, or Aave, named after the Finnish word for go, offers a similar service as Compound, but also offers flash crypto loans that require no collateral. Okay, so they offer these really short-term loans where it's built into one blockchain or one contract, where you borrow the money and then you borrow the money and then you use that money to invest in maybe a different cryptocurrency, but it's kept in the same contract. And then once you profit from that trade, you pay back the complete amount that you borrowed plus the fees, which is about 0.08%, and then the whole contract closes. So you have to pay back the Aave flash loan in complete, or unless your trades, everything will be cancelled. Okay, but there's a difference with Aave. Aave offers lenders a choice of 3 different interest rates. Okay, and you can change these interest rates at any time. They have a fixed, variable, and floating, which can be switched at any time. Okay, currently Aave lets users lend 24 different cryptocurrencies. I'll show you that in a minute. So like Compound, you can lend your cryptocurrency. Instead of keeping it in your crypto wallet, you can earn money from us by letting Aave lend it to other people, and you earn interest on it. Just like you put your money into the bank and you earn interest off that. So Aave is the cryptocurrency that you will be investing on eToro, and it's used to govern decisions of Aave's platform, the same as Compound. And it's used to earn staking rewards. So you can earn staking rewards, and borrowers can use Aave as collateral and get discounts on fees for using the platform. So they can use their Aave coin as collateral to get loans off other cryptocurrencies, and they don't have any fees, and they can get the discounts on the fees from the platform. So Aave, which has a maximum of 16 million coins, is destroyed when used to pay fees on a platform, making it a deflationary cryptocurrency. Okay, so it's a deflationary cryptocurrency, and the Aave tokens or Aave coins are destroyed every time they're used to pay for fees for interacting with the website, etc. And you can use it for stalking or staking, sorry. So on eToro, just what is staking? Staking is a process that allows rewards to be earned by holders of specific coins. So like Bitcoin, they use miners for proof of work, and they use electricity, etc., to prove all the transactions. Proof of stake is a different kind of mechanism, and it is used by distributed blockchain networks where Bitcoin miners can mine or validate the transactions according to many coins they hold in the staking platform. Okay, so the more coins you hold for staking, you can earn money, and these coins are used for mining the transactions. Okay, they're used to validate the transactions on the network. So staking is available on eToro. You can check that out for yourself. But that just shows you it's a different process. Instead of using miners and electricity and computers to validate transactions, proof of stake is just a mechanism where you put in your money in your cryptocurrencies, and that is used to validate transactions. But so looking at Aave's website here, you can see that it is similar to compounds, but it uses different cryptocurrencies there. Okay, so you can put in, let's see, you put in your Binance coin here, Binance USD, and then they use it to lend out money, and you can earn interest on your Binance USD, and also you can earn Aave as for using the platform, same as Compound. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. There's they are on eToro. You can see that Aave was up to $645, and now it's at 365. So most cryptocurrencies are down 50% off their highest for the last year. So you can also trade this with as little as $25 on eToro, and they've just released these cryptocurrencies this week. So very cool, very exciting. So if you like this video, want to learn more about the new news, this is just news that come out on eToro this week. Please like and subscribe. And if you're new to eToro, you can use my partner link in the description. It won't cost you anything, but you'll be supporting my work to invest in Compound or Aave on eToro. Also, just looking at my copy trading firm account, which I'm building up at the moment. I'm up 15.03% so far this year. I just started in March, 9.81% for the first month. Small drop, nearly nothing there, 0.13 on April, and I'm up 4.89% so far. I invested in cryptocurrency this week, which put up my risk score for the last 7 days to 8, but usually it stays around 5 or 6. But I'm going to be investing in commodities or an ETF commodity, which is a basket of commodities next week. So that should bring down my risk score. My max drawdown is 4.98% per day, 5.58% weekly, and 10.30 on the yearly. I have 2 copiers so far, as I'm very happy about, and 86.41% profitable trades. So if you'd like to follow me on eToro, you can go to Copy Trading Forum too. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love, and thanks everyone for watching. Bye.